Yeah, Anja Babenya, the most expensive football business.
Oh, okay.
In just 1 year. Now Mbappe team need to negotiate here. The transfer fee plus a arrangement for salary anyway. No, I bet me 1 billion euros.
I got saying
1 billion.
1 billion euros.
Yep.
Family mukakre.
The most expensive business, no, perhaps in recent times, where name idea no.
Oh, okay.
Transfer fee plus Nisika or J. A kekako be 500 million euros. Way there no. 1 billion a bet me ako. And na yenyan into say PSG ama Al Hilal the go ahead. So many Mbappe team no ending come behind the scenes. But yes, I'm also making it clear. Said day no come on I no be Saturday no. There has not been any formal bid. No formal bid has come from Al Hilal to PSG. A verbal interest no more express no more quote amount no. So they will need to go and then negotiate with the Mbappe. Mbappe tenasi din komo no ojitu. Then they will table the formal bid. PSG be accepted and then the transfer will proceed accordingly. Now, Sikani 259 million pounds, which a year approximates to 300 million euros. Say bibia to tom na Mbappe jitumu abu eba the most expensive transfer fee for a single player. This is the proposal that Al Hilal for no a person almost submitted the Mbappe every year. And I said 1 year no, almost man 600 million pounds as salary. A month, about 50 million. A day will be 1.64 million pounds. And as a 68.5 thousand, and then 1 minute here 1.1k pounds. And every second, over 19 pounds, and that is the Mbappe deal. Now, saying this, the reaction from some sports athletes or sports icons, or more EGD says Sikano was really and this is Damian Lillard. I know the Ababetu was 1 year, 776 million US dollars. WTF near what the F, not the LOL, and so it was so. Now to another basketball star, Draymond Green. I also say they got basketball leagues too, right? There's will be Saudi Arabia for no more basketball league, Saudi, and then in Namunti, any emoji no the account. No, so the cross signing a renewal with the Warriors and chair. Into ink, no, into make fun in 10 term. No, I headed straight to Saudi Arabia, and then LeBron James Nankasa so by. No, say me headed to Saudi when they call Rich Paul and then Mafkata. Amoya and the agents are more representing. For that 1 year, they say, Saudi for the bar or the breakup, I don't know, see the best more. Then, Giannis then Mbappe very active to this Syria can or say, Alila, you can take me. I look like Kylian Mbappe. And no, Mbappe say, I know, no, say the Syria can. Now, why is this getting so interesting here? One, Alila Fono are looking at how to approach Mbappe.
Oh, okay.
They still have hope. Say, boy, no bet me adia to Nuaba. Because of what they will present to him. One, money, and then two, his wish. Wish, they're saying, Mbappe would love to join Real Madrid on a free. And he had love for no pay the right way to approach Mbappe. Normally, not Nazi didn't come on. But news from the boys' camp, SOMPA. I have from Fiomokra because I did back up so he wants to stay in Europe and then he wants to join Real Madrid. So Mbappe will not engage the Saudis. Maybe Ebiana akobro ne so na baby obube rewra ne omo be hye ne so ndim komo no na bro Mbappe ne so, but for sporting reasons he will not entertain any discussion with Al Hilal concerning a bid. Two Premier League clubs as what omo ho afrim: Manchester United, Chelsea. Tottenham there the omo no ne mo nra na omo
cry.
Oh, they looked at the opportunity of getting Mbappe.
Tottenham for love up Mbappe now.
Yeah, no, be a steady opportunity, no, because this is a once in a lifetime sort of thing. And to be a person cashing in. In fact, if Tottenham are losing a Kane, Mbappe to me be shemwa. At least at the moment, and they are likely to sell and make more money as well. So the three Premier League clubs, they sought for explanations on the Mbappe project. They have decided to back out. Into Chelsea, Man U, Tottenham, and Cajon. Liverpool for crowd or so die because they don't need any attacking additions. So that is it with Mbappe. To Inter Milan, and Komonu Gusu name, they want a replacement for this man, Andre Onana. Onana Kono, their man is Jan Soma. Now this is the news. Time I buy an free Germany. Eddie Omania Chemo Tokyo, Japan. No. And I saw my catcher almost say, it's club no, on Peso Obebon this season. On Monton on Onko. Bayern for Najatum said they will allow him leave. But he should be patient. Now, on other targets named common. Other targets, no. The closest is David Raya of Brentford. Brentford for no resigned to the fact that they are losing this guy into a signing replacement dada. So they have a goalkeeper now. Raya, a kind of 1 year contract for Brentford. A clause be on a contract anymore. Or to me free club name for less than £13 million. Obetimie beating it down, they're about £10 million. So between that region, 10 to £30 million. Bayern for no aid Sudin Komo. The guy has given his consent so your bed joining. He's just 27 years. And Bayern think that he's a short term and then a medium term target to improve their goalkeeping department. If some more tongue, Alex Nubel. Now Manona so in the foreseeable future, so Babejawa, this guy can fit a goalkeeping department no, as their new number one. Tuchel so any general, abroad what Chelsea no, on your queen so steady boy no. So they go ahead number. If they're able to finish Raya deal no this week, yeah. Omobe sanction Soma to Inter Milan this week, yeah. So move here next week is what Soma to Inter no so Sane Bebabe. So the timelines no and so when Bayern confirms or must sign a goalkeeper, it will trigger the departure of Jan Soma to Inter Milan. Inter for no they agree. And Tomoso Enyabotromoso train. They are planning across board. So Munya it will help them to push Handanovic away and they will get an additional goalkeeper. Minimum, almost in the ideal situation, say almost signing 2 goalkeepers. But say many circumstances prevailing. Senior to me and said the Omopa. This is their primary target, Jan Soma. So Obabeshe Inter Boboko him. To Moises Caicedo. Chelsea for the boy full Brighton for the pan.
That's all my day.
Good. They keep frustrating them. Almost say call first didn't come on. Brighton tabled an offer, say Pelevico will. Into the £30 million, then Tikana Chelsea the beba for Caicedo no. Betty the Freeman come 100 million for Moises Caicedo. Then we 30 and accommodate Tolevico and Anka Chelsea the 70 naso. So Chelsea said Derby. Onye. Into a Macam and no frame, but Omuti Caicedo Comana Merco and Impe. Now Brighton for Nakofa Levico la Sansa Ban Common Imbio. Exactly. So they keep frustrating them. And Chelsea want a definite price. So Brighton for so Omo Ton Caicedo on Beje. 100 million a day evaluation. But Obeji saying Kasa Brighton in Sinipin Sinita. So Chelsea don't know how they are going about. Once I know Mbekacho said they are studying proposals to see financial additions on Betimia make it to the 70 no more the coin. Some common gusu ekoso, but who maybe on Peje Munkodru. Because Brighton has not given them any definite range. Say Fasebra. So Chelsea are so confused and frustrated in the Moises Caicedo pursuit. But Mauricio Pochettino also catch him say he's that guy and he needs him in a setup. Then at Chelsea, they need to raise more money. Todd Volimo will not pump money directly unless they get guarantees that Chelsea so torn no discover. Anything I would take the Gallagher operation say Chelsea want more money for Conor Gallagher because almost in Yeska to pursue a target. Gallagher, it is not West Ham pay. It is a Chelsea ball life. Tiasie. Newcastle are interested. Or my register more interest. Tottenham are interested. Or my register more interest. In the case of Newcastle, this is a turn one midfielder. But for Tottenham, or more GDSA, Pierre-Emile Oibie, closer to Atletico Madrid, they will get money. So when they get that money, they will invest part to pursue Conor Gallagher. And so Chelsea anticipates, say, there will be a potential bidding war for Conor Gallagher. A very pushy price now for sure. And it's a West Ham the 37 plus add-ons ne raise could do 40 bar. Or bet me at train so no delay process no. And Chelsea wants more money, and all that money is for this particular guy, Moises Caicedo. So I'll pursue. Now Chelsea still needs midfield reinforcement because Gallagher they will need to add up to the numbers. One department of Melusu players pano a midfield, we defense nesu at the camera. Now Mohamed Kudus, I need training and net. According to Ayas, almost a boy in say our minor injury, so he wants to stay inside. Now, yet the sequence of event, Kudus, Akache Ayas say he wants to leave. Wakache coach, they say he wants to leave. Kudus, agent, and Chelsea for discussing personal terms, they are very close to agreeing. Kudus never Chelsea are expressing interest in him. Amadiama I asked for no. And they are yet to discuss a fee, but the interest has been registered.
Now, Arsenal, they are not going to that. Was there no
Arsenal and Kudus, there is nothing.
She's here.
Davey.
Oh, okay.
There is nothing. Arsenal don't need offensive targets and our midfielders. Now, the Kudus situation, no, they are close to agreeing personal terms. And they're saying, says Sika Chelsea, they be my boy, no, any of the privileges that will be available as a Chelsea player. Or more, they are two agents. And your friend is Jennifer Mendelvitz. Now Jennifer also are closer to agreeing. If now take Ben Jacob say Wababe and I'll say Chelsea are very close to agreeing personal terms with Mohamed Kudus. Omoni I in car transfer fee. But the clearest indication they say where me am trimupo and I'm a bomb trim naka. Say Kudus might not necessarily be seriously injured. And yet pra ebema natna indoors. Maybe in Kobet miaba. No Wababe shake up kakra. But if he decides to stay indoors and not come for training, it is because he wants a transfer away. And one of the mechanisms are all used to push himself out of the club. So that is with the Kudus operation.
Now, Bebao, Migi were also not to was it. Now, Mohamed Kudus, and when we are Chelsea,
oh yeah,
Chichimuka Krauba, Sandy Bisiako.
Chelsea are losing midfield tag options and as a midfield slot. Kudus is seen as one, a versatile player. Oh, to me, occupy number 8 position in the middle. Then also versatility in playing at number 10 and then also playing on the right flank. So Chelsea, who said he's a player one age, you know, our form, our huge potential. And then he has displayed quality in competitions like the Champions League and even the FIFA World Cup. So, you have a player with an excellent resale value. You have a player who can contribute sporting-wise. So he makes your team very competitive. And Chelsea thinks that he will also come for cheap. And then they will not pay him top dollar as salary so at the end of the month. Because Sika Gallagher Bejeno, Kudus might not earn closer to that.
Oh, okay.
So it allows them to free their wage bill. And then they still add additions and quality. But Sika no any through bebre. And they say be a Ujai Kai Havertz Manako. Nadi Nicholas Jackson Aba. Sika de Bema Nicholas Jackson Bosomi Biano. And Drew Kai Havertz there. So they lose players, they add up. And the Ocean Kai plus 1 minus 1. But Sika Mube Tiadia more week, you know. And so behind the platform, which is good for the club's finances.
Oh, okay.
And that is one of the Kudus projects. In the worst case scenario, Chelsea signs Kudus and loans him to Strasbourg, France.
18 years, sir.
Yeah. Omo ye be with Montpellier branch and Eli Wai.
Oh, okay.
Why Strasbourg for development. Oh, so okay. Worst case scenario. So Chelsea see Kudus so he had a crowd with the first team or Tonepe. He's going on loan to Strasbourg.
As well as Kudus.
Ade.
Now why as a boy you now butchers have do colo?
No, I am only speculating.
Okay, oh yeah.
I'm just speculating. Okay. So in the worst case scenario, such as Chelsea's here Kudus cry. And then this guy. Man, fire no, yeba. Yeah, you baby now he might be getting a destination in the same England. And then it will signal another transfer which will be huge. Kane to Bayern. Se Bayern for ne be free England e de akwa. Tottenham for no so ay card so omoko be free Germany and so the aba. If they are selling Kane, part of the money will go into funding a transfer for Randall Colomwani. Contact has been made. Money boy na agents at Nasi in common. Contact is yet to be established with Eintracht Frankfurt. But Frankfurt for no are open to selling because the boy in the catch before the season ended. Say Opeso free club Nimoko. So Tottenham see Randall Colomwani as their ideal man in the events of Moton Hurricane. Now, Tottenham resolve no. It is being broken gradually. It looks like every day Biano. Say yen ton Kane yen ton no. Or more gum. So there are yenya beton, but for the right offer, and they are even exploring avenues. And our players will bet me replace it. And one of them is Randall Colomwani from France. Abu.
Mate, Medase Party, Michael Asai Boadu no.